If you ever need to share a Word document in a format that keeps the layout looking clean and professional, exporting it as a PDF is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export as PDF in Word, step by step, so you can save your document in a format that is easy to open, print, and share on almost any device. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the document you want to export in Microsoft Word. Before you save anything, take a moment to make sure your formatting looks the way you want it to look in the final PDF. Check your headings, images, spacing, page breaks, and any links or tables you may have added. Since a PDF preserves the appearance of your document, whatever you see in Word is very close to what you'll get in the exported file. Now look at the top left corner of Word and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can access saving, exporting, and printing options. From there, choose Export. If you don't immediately see the option you want, don't worry, because Word organizes the document output tools inside this menu. Once you click Export, select Create PDF/XPS. This is the built-in option that allows Word to convert your document into a PDF file. A window will appear asking you where you want to save the file and what name you want to give it. Choose a folder that's easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder, and then type in a clear file name so you can recognize it later. Before you finalize the export, take a quick look at the settings. Depending on your version of Word, you may see options for optimizing the file for standard quality or minimum size. If you want the best balance for reading and printing, standard quality is usually the safest choice. If your PDF is going to be sent by email and you want to keep the file smaller, minimum size may be helpful. You can also choose whether to open the file after publishing, which is a good idea if you want to confirm everything exported correctly. When you're ready, click Publish or Save, depending on the version of Word you're using. Word will then generate the PDF version of your document. This usually only takes a few moments, and once it's finished, your PDF will open automatically if you selected that option. At that point, review the file carefully to make sure all pages, text, images, and formatting carried over correctly. If something looks off, go back to your Word document, make the adjustment, and export it again. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Word to create PDFs because you can make changes quickly and re-export without needing any extra software, and that's it. You've successfully exported your Word document as a PDF. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly useful for sending resumes, reports, letters, forms, and other documents in a universal format that anyone can open. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.